Hi, I'm Miss Carol, the heart behind MC Home Finds, a passionate designer and someone who's always been in love with creating beautiful spaces. What began 3 years ago as a passion for home designing has grown into a full service furniture and interior business. From small upholstery inquiries to crafting custom furniture and taking on full scale renovations, it's been an amazing journey. But I'll be honest, last year, I decided to take a step back. Hindi lang dahil sa pag-manage ng Glow and Beyond, may beauty lounge and cafe business, but also because I needed to face some personal challenges. Kasama na rito ang pagiging hands-on mom to my awesome kids at pag-navigate ng struggles sa mga previous projects. And most recently, my family faced a big loss. My father passed away on New Year's Eve and it's been a deeply emotional time. But his memory has become one of my biggest motivations to move forward. He always encouraged me to pursue my dreams and I'm channeling that energy into rebuilding MC Home Finds with a renewed sense of purpose. This year, MC Home Finds is back stronger than ever. Whether it's transforming your home, creating custom furniture, or designing a commercial space like a coffee shop, nandito kami para buhayan ang vision nyo with creativity and heart. So tara na! Let's create something extraordinary together. Follow MC Home Finds for updates, design inspiration, and behind-the-scenes moments of our journey. Kung ready na kayo to start your dream project, send us a message. I can't wait to work with you.